Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get the Kirby icons, which is the skin set. So let's start with the first step, which is collect 500 diamonds and orbs. So to get these specific character icons, you need to access these secret shops. So you will need at least 500 diamonds to enter them and a good amount of mana orbs to purchase the items. Step number 2 is enter the treasure room. So go to the daily level or the gauntlet menu and click the purple door in the bottom right corner. So you need 5 demon keys to unlock it. Next is inside the treasure room, just enter the community shop by pulling the rope in the top left corner. Then from there, just scroll through the cubes to find cube 139, which has the classic Kirby face, and purchase it. Next is go back to the treasure room and enter the mechanics shop through the gate on the far left. So in the swing copter tab, find the buy swing 18, which looks like a round flying Kirby, just like this one. And finally, go to the icon kit and then equip the Kirby cube and the round swing copter and the star-shaped ship. So you can set the primary color to pink and your secondary color to red to complete the look. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!